How to get letters on iPhone phone app. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the keypad icon. This is your iPhone keypad screen. You can dial in any number over here to search for or add a contact or call them. But you cannot type in letters directly. As you can see, each number corresponds to 3 or 4 letters. For example, 9 corresponds to W, X, Y, and Z. Even though you cannot type a letter by tapping on the corresponding number or holding it for a long time, you can try dialing the corresponding numbers according to the name or word you're looking for. For example, if the name letters are FAZ, then check the corresponding numbers and dial it in, which is 329. 3 for F, 2 for A, and Z for 9. You can repeat this to search for other letters or names as well. Following these steps, you can easily get letters on iPhone phone app.